video with W8CPT, Captain Don here. I am going to be working satellite PO-101 with the elk periodic antenna. I 3D printed that handle there, so makes it easy to hang on to. The coax connects at that end. You want at least 8 inches straight down, it says. So I put a little zip tie right there, so I got enough room to work it. So a lot lighter than the Arrow 2 antenna I've been using. Yep, that's what I'm doing, Greg, checking out the elk antenna. We got 2 minutes 54 seconds for PO-101 to rise. So yeah, I'm looking forward to trying this out and see how good it works. It's actually rising over there in the trees. Like, I'm going to be pointing right here for rise, and then it's going to come over this way. It's all through trees, so it's going to be a good test for this elk periodic. Am I saying that right? I don't know. You know what I mean, though. I've got a video of putting this together with links in it. So anyway, I'm using the TYT UV390 Plus with the OpenGD 77 firmware on it. I've got videos on that too. You see, we got what, 2 minutes and 2 minutes before the satellite rises, and it's going to rise right in the north and go to the southwest. So, anybody got any questions? We got about 1.5 minutes before it rises. If you do work satellites and you're watching this, please get on PO-101 and try to make a QSO with me, because I want to really test this. I'm assuming there's going to be people out there, but just in case, if you work satellites, jump on it. Still got a minute left, so I can answer any questions. I did make a QSO with astronaut Matthew Dominic on Monday on the FM reader. That was epic. I have 4 with Woody Holberg last year. That was my first with Matthew Dominic this year, and my first this year, period. So I'm at 5 ISS contacts. Already sent in for my QSL card. Pretty cool. 53 seconds. Again, if anybody came in late, we're trying out the elk periodic antenna. I 3D printed the handle, so it makes it even more lightweight. And we're gonna try it out, see how it does on PO-101. We got 31 seconds before it rises. I really wanted to try it on the ISS, but I was up too late. I had to reprint this handle like 4 times. It takes 6 hours every time, because my filament, my glow-in-the-dark filament was bad, and then the holes were too small, and I cracked one. So here we go, 8 seconds. So it's above the horizon now. It's only at 1 degree though. Definitely a little lighter. I'm still feeling it in my forearm though. Three degrees. When I get to about 10 degrees, I'll call out. Thanks, Mark. 6 degrees. Nothing heard yet. There's 8 degrees. I'm going to give it a shot. Whiskey 8 Charlie Papa Tango, Echo November 82. See, and I still have to change hands. It's still kind of heavy. Whiskey 8 Charlie Papa Tango, Echo November 82. Be nice to know if somebody was actually on this bird right now, so I'm not calling out for nothing. Definitely not hearing anything yet. Whiskey 8 Charlie Papa Tango, Echo November 82. $20 degrees, I should be hearing something. Whiskey 8 Charlie Papa Tango, Echo November 82. I don't know. Whiskey 8 Charlie Papa Tango, Echo November 82. I think I might have heard something there. There we go. Whiskey 8 Charlie Papa Tango, Echo November 82.
Victor Alpha 3, Victor Golf Romeo, Fox November 25.
Victor Alpha 3, Victor Golf Romeo, Whiskey 8 Charlie Papa Tango, Echo November 82, QSL. I don't think he heard me. Whiskey 8 Charlie Papa Tango, Echo November 82. Whiskey 8 Charlie Papa Tango, Echo November 82. And to FYA, Whiskey 8 Charlie Papa Tango, Echo November 82, QSL.
Okay, I heard somebody out there, but your audio's a little too low. N2 FYA. N2 FYA, WD5GRW, Echo Mike 13. Is that WD5GRW? Twice low, 8 to Zulu, Romeo, Yankee.
Whiskey 8 Charlie Papa Tango, Echo November 82.
FYA, Kilo
Whiskey 8 Charlie Papa Tango, Echo November 82. N2FYA QSL from W8CPT 73, John. Zulu Romeo Yankee again, Whiskey 8 Charlie Papa Tango here. WD5 GRW, Whiskey 8 Charlie Papa Tango, Echo November 82, QSL. Kilo 8 Zulu Romeo Yankee, Whiskey 8 Charlie Papa Tango, Echo November 82, QSL.
W8CPT, WD5GRW.
WD5 GRW, W8CPT, QSL. It's still heavy. Whiskey 8 Charlie Papa Tango, Echo November 82. That's 11 degrees, so man, I really can't give an opinion on this antenna until I try the ISS, because I obviously work the ISS a lot more than anything, and I know how that responds. I did make some QSOs, WD5 GRW, I think it was, a couple other people, N2FYA. I don't know if that POTA station got me. There was a POTA station out there. Kilo Echo 8, something Yankee. So I made a few QSOs. I feel like I should have been hearing it better, but I'm used to the ISS mostly. I do work all these other ones, but it's been a while since I worked PO-101. I think it did decent. It definitely works. You got to really listen in close and really have it pointed right. I mean, like, let me show you what I was working with. So it rose. Wait a minute. Guess I'll open up my camera first before you're going to be able to see anything. All right, so it rose right there by that weather vane. And basically, it only went up to 20 degrees. So I was shooting through all these trees, which my arrow gets through no problem, my arrow too. And then I think it was at its peak about right here in the center of the pass. And then it lowered down I'll try to move my finger, and then it was pretty much going behind these houses right here, and then there's a garage right there. Let me show you, garage right there, and then it's set right there. So anyway, I made QSOs on it. It's a little cheaper than the Arrow 2 antenna. I think 4 in the morning is my first good pass on the ISS. I'm not sure if I'm going to be awake or not. I was up pretty late last night, almost all night, so might be awake. So if you're awake around 4:30 in the morning, I'll be trying it probably on the ISS. If you're not awake, I'll definitely go live and give it a shot. So I see there's 6 people in here. Anybody got any questions? I was testing out the elk periodic antenna. I made my own 3D printed handle for it and installed it. Let's see. It's a little bit lighter than the Arrow 2. Not much. My arm still got tired. I think I switched twice during that pass. With the Arrow, I probably would have switched about 4 times. But anyway, all right. I guess nobody has any questions, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this. I'll give it about a minute, make sure there's no questions popping up. Thanks. Yeah, I'll try the ISS probably at 4:36. It's like a 60-degree pass. I don't know how many people will be on it, but I'll try it. Maybe I'll wake up one of the astronauts and get lucky and get another QSO. But anyway, all right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'm gonna go ahead and end this live video so I can write down the QSOs I made and log them. So everybody have a good Friday evening. I think it's Friday. It's Friday, right? And I will catch you later. Thanks for watching Amateur Radio with W8CPT. Captain Don here saying 73.